My new cube. Rubik's cube. From Doimo. So yeah, it's a quick video of making me Rubik cube. This it's about 9:25. Cái xe này rốt rồi. Vậy rồi, ít rồi chưa? So yeah, my new Rubik cube. I also have a small one. Okay, yeah, look, yesterday we bought this Rubik cube. They bought it, they went to bazaar. And yeah, I don't go, but yeah. Meron ko na. This way. Rubik cube. It's a quick video. Oh yeah, here's the small one. Here's the small one. Rubik cube. Okay, cool. Cool. I don't know how I look at the future. Okay, yeah, it's a quick video of my new Rubik cube. Bye for now.